Freeze the image. Drag the Cine Replay progress bar to find a proper frame for measurement. Swipe the screen from the left edge to the right to display the Measure menu. To measure distance, tap Distance, then adjust the position of both calipers to measure the target. Tap Distance repeatedly to make additional measurements. To delete, tap a result and use the X symbol to delete. Tap Clear All to delete all results. Freeze the image. Drag the Cine Replay progress bar to find a proper frame for measurement. To measure the area or circumference, tap the ellipse. Drag the 4 vertices of the ellipse respectively to reshape and resize. Results will be displayed in the upper right. Freeze the image. To measure volume, tap Volume. Position the calipers by dragging the 2 endpoints. Tap the volume again for the second set of calipers and adjust their positions. Unfreeze and scan your image in the next plane. Freeze the image. You will get the third caliper automatically after freezing. To measure heart rate in M mode, tap the measurement labeled HR. Drag the 2 calipers to the correct positions. Please note that 2 cardiac cycles must be included. To measure blood velocity in PW mode, tap the Velocity Measurement tool.